Well, hello everyone. This is Geo, and the last video I made about the YouTube analytic basics were to give you the overview, and we talked about the reach page. Now, today we're going to talk about engagement, audience, and revenue. So let's get started. The engagement tab gives you a summary of how long your audience is watching your videos. The key metrics card shows your watch time and average view duration. In this tab, you'll also see reports for top videos, top playlists, top videos by in-screen, top in-screen element types, and top post. The top posts are your community posts over the last 28 days. At the video level, you'll see reports for audience retention, likes versus dislikes, and in-screen element click rate. Now, I will have the link to all of this information in the show more box for you to read for yourself. Let's move on to audience. The audience tab gives you a summary of the sort of viewers watching your videos. The key metrics card shows your returning and new viewers, unique viewers, subscribers, and total members. In this tab, you'll also see reports for when your viewers are on YouTube, subscriber bell notifications, watch time from subscribers, age and gender, other channels your audience watches, other videos your audience watches, top geographies, your audience by geography. Data is based on IP address. Also, you'll find top subtitle CC languages. At the video level, you'll see reports for watch time from subscribers, top subtitle, CC language, and age and gender. Let's move on to revenue. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, the Revenue tab helps you track your earnings on YouTube. The key metrics card shows your estimate revenue, RPM, and playback based CPM. In this tab, you'll also see reports for monthly estimated revenue. That is how much your channel has earned in the last 6 months, for ongoing months, and months without finalized payments. Revenue is estimated and subject to change. Revenue sources, how you're making money with YouTube. Transaction revenue, estimated net revenue from transactions such as paid content and super chat. The estimate includes deducted partner charge refunds for the selected date, range, and area. It also shows your top earning videos with the highest estimate revenue for the time period. And it also shows the ad types, the format of the ad, and its buy-in platform. This breakdown is only available for YouTube ad revenue and impression-based metric. At the video level, you'll see reports for revenue sources, transaction revenue, and ad sources. And here at the bottom of the page, they have a video that tells you all about analytics in YouTube, in your YouTube studio. So I suggest that you read this and you watch the video to get an understanding of how analytics work on your channel. This is Geo of the Information Girls. No rumors, just the facts. And if you have not joined the Information Girls, please do so today.
Information girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No Don't you give up now. Go the distance with the information girls. Information girls. We got the pills, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat. Don't need no flag. Got a lot of things to keep